Hello everyone, my name is Pradita Adisa Yuliani from class AK 103. In this video, I'm going to talk about the development of English language learning in Indonesia. English is very important in today's global era, so it's interesting to see how English education has grown and developed in our country. As we know, English is international language. It is used in many fields like education, business, tourism, technology, and even entertainment. In Indonesia, English has become more than just a school subject. It is now considered an important skill that helps people communicate globally because of globalization. English play a big role in our daily life than ever before. In this presentation, I will explain why English is important, how it developed in Indonesia, and what challenge we still face. So, why English is important in Indonesia? First, English helps us to compete in the global job market. Many companies, especially international companies, require English skills. Second, English gives students access to international books, research journals, and scholarship abroad. And lastly, English offers many opportunities, both academically and professionally. That's why learning English is very valuable. Reason for learning English. There are several reasons why we should learn English. English is an investment for our future. When we learn English, we invest in our knowledge and career opportunities. It is also a global communication tool. With English, we can talk to people from different countries without language barrier. Besides that, English can increase our confidence when interacting with international communities. So basically, English helps us grow personally and professionally. In professional work, English is often a big advantage. Many companies list English proficiency as one of the main requirements in job recruitment. For example, in fields like accounting, marketing, tourism, business, and technology, English skill can make someone stand out. People who can speak English often have better career opportunities and higher chance of promotion. That's why English is closely related to career development. Now let's talk about how English developed in Indonesia. During the colonial period, foreign languages were introduced but only for certain groups. After Indonesia became independent, English started to be included in the formal education system. Then, during the reform and globalization era, English learning expanded significantly. Technology also helped to accelerate English education through digital platforms and online learning. So over time, English became more accessible to everyone. In Indonesia, English is taught in several ways. First, through formal education, from elementary school to university. Second, through prepared language courses that offer more intensive training. Third, through online learning platforms, which is become very popular, especially in the digital era. These different systems make English learning more flexible and reachable for many people. Talent. Even though English learning has developed a lot, there are still some talent. One major challenge is unequal access to quality education between cities and rural areas. Some schools still lack facilities and qualified teachers. Another challenge is student motivation. Learning a foreign language requires consistent and practice. So, improving technique quality and learning support is still very important. To conclude, English play a very important role in Indonesia's connection with a global world. From the colonial era until today, digital era, English learning has continued to grow and improve. However, we still need to work on improving access and quality of education. By mastering English, we can open more opportunities and prepare ourselves for international challenge. So this is my presentation. Thank you for watching.